Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen on Motorola One 5G Ace. And to do this, we'll need to open a settings, scroll all the way down to find the system, enter the gestures, and here we can see them all. So the first one is double press power key to either launch assistant or open camera. Let's go for the camera and lock our device. Now let's double press power key and the camera launches, so that feature works on your lock screen. Next up is system navigation, which is kinda pointless in a lock screen, so I'm gonna skip it. Prevent ringing, and here if you press power and volume up key together, you should be able to enter vibrate or mute mode. You can choose between these two. So let's put it on a vibrate because we're in a silent mode now, and let's hold the power key and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, the phone just changed into the vibrate mode. So that works on the lock screen as well. Let's move on to the power menu. And right here you can hold the power key to turn on the power menu, and it works like this when your phone is unlocked. And let's see if it works on lock screen. It also works on lock screen fine. Next one is 3 fingers screenshot, and you need to put your 3 fingers on the screen, and that way you'll make a screenshot. Let's try it on lock screen, but we need to wake up our phone first. And I think this feature won't work. Yep, it doesn't work on the lock screen. Let's move on to the fast torch. So if you shake your phone like a handshake, it should turn on the flashlight. Let's try it out. As you can see, it works fine. It's a bit tricky to do, so I'm just gonna disable it manually, but you can enable or disable the torch that way on the lock screen. Next one is quick capture. If you twist your phone like this on the instructions right here, it should pop open a camera. Let's try it out. Yeah, it works fine. And the last one is swipe to split, and I don't think it will work on a lock screen, but because it's not app, but it allows you to split 2 apps in half, so you can see 1 app on the bottom and 1 on the top. But there's no app right here, so it doesn't work on your lock screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.